So hello friends, welcome to my channel Archie Chowdhury. It's so nice to be here on the YouTube again. How have you all been? I've been good and going for great walks, and I lost some weight. I'm feeling so happy about it, and I'll show you my whole day. So this was it, and I didn't comb my hair because I knew I have to go and take a shower and all. So I've just started my video and hope you are all doing good, and I'll show you some clips of my morning. 6:41, we just woke up and I'll just do some yoga and drink my warm water, and here I'm boiling some hot water in the kettle, and I'll drink some water and get ready for the day. Early morning, the bunny is also awake and it is saying good morning. Everything looks so good when it's early morning, and all the dew drops on the grass and all looks really very refreshing to the eyes, and nature walk is always so good. There's a nice gazebo which we have. People just come and relax here when they are tired. It looks so good walking early in the morning, and this is how my day is going, and it's so beautiful. And I'll show you over here very nice garden. See this garden which I just came. Just look at these flowers. These are the roses. These look like white roses, but it is already getting spoiled and dried, as you can see. It's beautiful. Are these roses? I don't think so. Let me know in the comments if they are roses or what. I'll just try to show you, zooming it in. The red small little roses. They look beautiful. Over here there are pine trees and all, and it is a nice, again, gazebo is there. It looks cool. And over here they have chairs also to sit. Just see the garden. It's beautiful. I'm coming here for the second or third time, but I'm capturing it today. And over here they have a small route. There's a fire pit over here. Anybody can lit up the fire and sit over here. Just see, it's so cool and nice. It's a fire pit over here. There are chairs over here to sit. Just look at it. I'm showing you with all the 360 degrees over here now. It's beautiful. There is park over there. Children are just playing. Early in the morning, the children just wake up and the homes are so nearby that parents say, okay, you can go and play. So here are some more flowers. Looks good. So here are the instructions which we need to follow. They say the children under the age of 18 must be accompanied by an adult. No burning while burn restrictions are in effect. Yeah, in summer we should not use it. And CPTA is not responsible for damages resulting from fire pit activity. So here are mailboxes. We need to collect mail from here, and if somebody has parcel from India or from Amazon, they put it in this big one which says 1P, and they put the keys of that department, of that apartment, of that compartment. Actually, I'm saying department, apartment, everything. So this is the letterbox, and here we get our mail. Round garden where it reminds me about the paddy fields, and it has a nice tree in the middle, but during winter all this will just fade off, and there'll be no flowers. This is only for summer which they can do it. Over here they've decorated it well. Again there are paddy fields. I'll give you a 360 view of here also. It's beautiful. Just see these flowers. I don't know what are these flowers also called, but it's nice. Yeah, it is. Again we see these flowers. So they have put on all four corners this kind of flowers. Here again the flowers came. So I showed you a full 360 degree. So it looks like this. This is the little garden which all the neighbors collected all the plants and made, and over here they have put some nice water over here. So the water goes from here. It's so beautiful again. This is just a personal garden which we all neighbors did it with one plant, and it looks so. This is the yellow jacket which collects all the wasps and all the insects of here, so it's a very good investment. And here is the other part of the garden which looks so beautiful. Somebody has grown tomatoes. It looks so beautiful. Just look at these tomatoes. Oh my, they are so good. Tiny tomatoes. Can you see? I would love to do gardening, but I don't have a green thumb. So here I'm cutting some pear. There's a nice sticker stuck. I don't know why they put the sticker, which says these are organic. That's why they start the number with 94416. So this is organic pears. So this is the breakfast which kiddos wanted to eat. These are the noodles, and here it looks so yum. This is the chicken flavor ramen noodle soup. It's called the Panda Signature. These noodles are not that tasty like the top ramen. I've just taken water and I'm boiling it, and I'll add the noodles in a second now. Let the water get boiled well. Whole packet how it looks. Panda Signature ramen noodle soup. Chicken flavor, and say Sabore Polo. Actually, the flavor is okay. My children like it so much, but I didn't feel that it was like, oh, so good. It's okay just to eat one time. It's okay, but it is okay for the kiddos. I personally didn't like it so much, but it's okay. Who and all like noodles can eat this. This is the roasted garlic and herb seasoning which my son is adding over here. He's adding little just to give a good flavoring. Over here my son is adding the whole noodles in the pan. And now there's the seasoning which he'll be adding. Is adding the seasoning. Today my children are cooking dinner for themselves. Yummy. So this was all the things which I did for today, and I ate healthy, but kids ate unhealthy little of noodles and all, but that's fine once in a while. So here it is, and I had a wonderful walk, and I'll show you how many steps I did. And I walked for more than 30 minutes. Before I could not walk for 5 minutes also, but now I'm gaining my strength back and I'm so happy. And I walked for half an hour today, and I'll show you my steps.